So my first question is, why should a person start investing?
Well, a person, just not a person, but the entire generations, they should start investing because investing is the most essential part of anything. See, the thing goes like this. Uh, there is a technique called marshmallow technique, or you can say the apple technique. Whenever you plant a tree, an apple tree or a mango tree, right? जब भी हम
Mhm,
लोग ये सब पेड़ लगाते हैं एप्पल का या फिर मैंगो का, प्रॉब्लम क्या आता है कि we let the we let the tree grow, right? We let the tree grow. Now out here, what happens is whenever the tree of investing tries to grow, we just put it out. मतलब हम लोग सोचते तो है कि लंबा इन्वेस्टिंग करना है, प्रॉफिट लंबा रखना है, लंबा टाइम के लिए रखना है, ये नया बात नहीं है, सबको पता है. बट द पॉइंट इज,
mhm,
जैसे मार्केट में डाला पैसा एंड द मनी वेंट अप, एवरीवन जस्ट पुल्स इट अप, दैट रिड्यूसेस द एंटायर एफर्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग. इसी के लिए सारा सारा का सारा प्रॉब्लम यहीं से स्टार्ट होता है. देयर इज अ टेक्निक, एज आई सेड, द मार्शमैलो टेक्निक मींस आपको टाइम देना पड़ेगा कि एक ट्री सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ फ्रूट्स दे, उसके लिए टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा. एक ट्री या एक फ्रूट या फिर दो फ्रूट या फिर टू एप्पल थ्री एप्पल देने के लिए टाइम लगेगा. यू हैव टू किल अ प्रोसेस
mhm,
कॉल इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. अभी चाहिए. What is the problem with majority is they can't start investing. They can't do investing because they want to get richer instantly, tomorrow. That's the problem. They want to get rich tomorrow. इसलिए तो majority जो भी youth से they are getting migrating towards trading more, especially in
mhm,
bank nifty options. क्योंकि वहां पर देख रहा है more volatility, more amount of they can bet. Betting, this is very much common in India basically because betting, इसलिए betting important होता है. Lottery देख लो, lottery becomes much more
mhm,
important because everyone bets in lottery. Lottery becomes much more
mhm,
compatible, everyone buys lottery tickets. सोचना नहीं पड़ता ना, कुछ पेशेंस नहीं रखना है, आज खरीदा 4 बजे रिजल्ट, उतना जल्दी आदमी लोग को अमीर बनना है. प्रॉब्लम इज दैट. So investing comes just right up there. The problem, investing is a long term journey, it's a journey of wealth. As I said, it's the marshmallow technique or the mango technique, you can say the apple technique, whatever. That you have, अब एक पेड़ आपने लगाया, वो पेड़ बड़ा हुआ, एक मैंगो या फिर एक एप्पल दिया आपको, उसके बाद आपको एक ही एप्पल खाना है या फिर यू हैव टू वेट फॉर डिफरेंट एप्पल्स. दैट्स अ पॉइंट.
mhm.
Whether you will wait for one
Okay.
apple, two apple, or you will just take that one single apple instantly. There's a vast difference of the mindset. You have to learn. हम लोग को छोटे से सिखाया जाता है कि save money. Yes, saving money is important, but save and invest the difference. That is also important. पैसा सिर्फ बचा के कुछ नहीं होगा ना, पैसा बचाना तो सबको आता है.
Mhm,
बट द पॉइंट इज बचा
mhm.
के इन्वेस्ट करना है फॉर द लॉन्ग रन. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट,
Okay,
एसेंशियल्स.
got you. So related to this, my second question is, what's the right age of investing? Like, when can
There
someone
is no
start
right age for
investing?
investing. Well, I would like to say there is no right age for investing. Investing can be done at any age, right? Investing can be basically done at any age. In America and India, there's a difference. America, it does not requires a PAN card to open an investment account, but in India, it requires PAN card at the age of, you have to be at the age of 18 to become an adult. Then you can have your own access for investing. That's a little bit of different. Well, whatever it is, that's the case. But if you want to
Mhm,
invest, you can invest from age 18 and above in
mhm,
India. And that's the only recommendation. As fast as you can start investing, the better it is in the longer horizon. जितना जल्दी आप इन्वेस्ट कर पाओ,
Okay.
नो मैटर वट एवर अमाउंट इट इज, यू स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग बिकॉज इन्वेस्टिंग विथ टाइम, यू हैव द लेवरेज ऑफ टाइम. आपके पास टाइम है ना, दैट मैटर्स द मोस्ट.
Mhm.
और कुछ मैटर नहीं करता.
Okay.
इन द लॉन्ग रन, आप इफ यू रीच 40 एंड ऑल एंड देन यू स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग, आपके पास पैसा होगा शायद उस वक्त, बट आपके पास समय नहीं होगा. सो यू शुड हैव द टाइम, बिकॉज टाइम में ये जो कंपाउंड होता है, वॉरेन बफेट का वेल्थ बिट करना सबके लिए नेक्स्ट इम्पॉसिबल है बिकॉज ही कंपाउंडेड ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 90 years. तो
Okay.
इट्स ह्यूज कंपाउंडिंग 90 years के लिए. हम लोग 10-20 साल दे नहीं सकते कंपाउंडिंग को, ही गेव 90 years टू कंपाउंडिंग. सो इज हिज वेल्थ सिंपल. So
Okay.
as
Got
fast as
you.
you invest, it's better.
Mhm. So you say like investing is necessity, but to do something which is necessity, we need to have an interest. Like we need to show some interest to keep it long, to continue through a long term. So how someone can show interest in investing? Like how can, like for me, I'm not interested right now, but I need to do it. So how can I be interested in investing? Like, can
First
you
of
just
all, the
explain it?
yes, the question comes in. whether you want savings or do you want wealth in long run. Whenever we talk about wealth, हम लोग को पहले क्या लगता है कि पैसा आ जाए तो हम लोग पहले गाड़ी खरीद लेंगे, बंगला खरीद लेंगे. Those are the ambitions that we have by watching all
Mhm.
those YouTube reels and everything else. But that is not the
Correct.
original point, right? The original point is something different. The original point is that we should be ready for our longer term. हम लोग young age में हम लोग को उतना cash अभी नहीं चाहिए. We do not need money right now.
Mhm.
We need money when we are 70s, 80s, 60s, because we have to
Mhm.
understand after 60s our working capability goes down, but expense doesn't goes down.
Mhm.
Expense तो constant रहना है, right? Income can fluctuate, but expense
Correct.
never remains fluctuates. Expense will remain constant till
Mhm.
you're alive. मतलब जब तक आप जिंदा हो एक्सपेंस तो होना ही है. एंड एक्सपेंस यू कैन नॉट किल एक्सपेंसेस और यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप एक्सपेंसेस. सो फ्यूचर का जो भी
Mhm.
एक्सपेंस है, इफ यू कैन स्टार्ट सेविंग एंड इन्वेस्टिंग फॉर द लॉन्गर होराइजन, यू आर फाइनेंशियली फ्री. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन फॉर
Mhm.
इन्वेस्टिंग, right? For yourself in
Okay.
the longer horizon, you're free. People think about investing wrong decisions because they want to make money tomorrow. That is the basic wrong mindset differences that comes in.
Mhm.
And due to that, they move on to trading and make lots of mistakes and they lose their money and blame the markets at the end. Hmm.
Okay. So, like now I'm interested. So before starting investing, what are the things that I need to know or plan before I start investing? What are the key pointers that I need to know? Is there something else or we directly invest?
Well, investing, you have to understand the meaning of investing. Investing means protection of your money and growing your money at the same time. You have to protect,
Okay.
means you can't keep your money in savings account. You have low interest rates. Low
Mm-hmm.
interest rates, 1 to 2% interest rates, and the inflation is almost 5-7%. And you can keep your money in fixed deposits as well. But fixed deposits and inflations are almost same. So it doesn't gives you high
Mm-hmm.
leverage over your money. To get a good leverage, मतलब ज़्यादा return पाने के लिए, you have to move on to better places. Either you have a own business, you can invest there if you understand. If you
Mm-hmm.
don't understand anything, any businesses, any stocks, just move into SIP index fund, which have a probability of giving you a return of 12% a year over 2 decades, 1 decades, right? You cannot
Mm-hmm.
expect 12% return consistent thoroughly. Yes, सब investing phenomena में, if you invest in indexes, you will not get
Mm-hmm.
12% return thoroughly. What you will get is 12% return, but in a decade. मतलब 10 साल 20 साल में आपको इतना मिलेगा. And if you compound that amount, that will be huge over the longer horizon. Simple. उसका कोई बड़ा बात है ही नहीं. So person should either, if a person doesn't knows anything, from my recommendation, I would say that person should directly move on to index funds and invest their SIPs per month. Or if a person still doesn't, if a person has some knowledge or likes to read books, because reading is very important in investing. If you like to read books
Mm-hmm.
and you want to gain knowledge more, right, then you can move on to stocks and buy businesses, good businesses, and then you can hold that for minimum of 5 to 10 years, and that will do. That will do perfectly. Anything else?
Okay. Yes, like now, like I have developed the course pillars, core abilities to invest. But now, shall I invest it systematically or do it at once or once in a year or every 6 months I should invest? So what's the best practice or how can I like do the investing? Is it monthly? Is it quarterly? Is it yearly? Or what's the best thing to do?
Well, I would like to say that the moment you have saved the amount of money, right?
Mm,
मतलब
mm,
सेविंग्स पूरा नहीं डालना है इन्वेस्टिंग में. पॉइंट ये है कि द सेविंग्स का भी छोटा छोटा पार्ट होता है. द अमाउंट यू आर रेडी टू लूज,
okay.
मतलब वो हरा भी जाए तो आपका फाइनेंशियली आपको तकलीफ नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मार्केट्स में यू विल नॉट गेट दैट मनी फॉर नेक्स्ट 5-10 years, राइट? यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग फॉर
Mm,
दैट लॉन्ग. उतना जल्दी इफ यू डू नॉट फोकस, और वो पैसा इफ यू आर रेडी विद दैट, यू कैन स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. जब भी आपके पास आए कुछ भी, सपोज यू 50,000 रुपीज राइट नाउ, आपका कोई भी काम कर
mhm,
लिया आपने, वो पैसा आ गया, एंड 50,000 के यू हैव 30,000 रुपीज, यू कैन से दैट ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए अभी, सो आई हैव नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स कमिंग इन, 30,000
mm,
आई जस्ट मूव इट ऑन टू इन्वेस्टिंग. इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, देन यू कैन मूव ऑन टू लम सम. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ इनकम अ पर्सन हैज. इट कैन, कोई भी
mhm,
सैलरीड पर्सन होगा तो उसके पास SIP दे कैन जनरली अपलोड. And if a person does not have a salary, they have an SI lump sum. So either way, it's done. It's good. Just start. That's the process. And wait for the longer horizon. You'll definitely have results.
yeah. So till here, I guess all the basics are clear about investing, how to start, when to start, what are the things we should know before investing, and how much to invest. So yes,
Okay. We will come again if you have any questions, right? We can discuss another in our next classes. Okay.
yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.